Today on the channel, we are going to do a little review and unboxing of a real Avid smart gun mat for handguns. So here is a little unboxing review of the real Avid smart mat for handguns. Same next generation cleaning mat for an integrated parts tray that it has. And this model is just so happens to be for handguns that I got. And let's tear into this. If you follow the channel, you know I just did a review on a gun cleaning kit by Otis not too long ago. So I figured to go along with the cleaning kit, we just get ourselves a couple new cleaning mats, which I also got one coming up here of a rifle mat. So don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button so you don't miss out on that. So here's how it comes, and it also has a little description of the product on the back side of it, and along as you see with the integrated parts tray that they're claiming that it has, that's magnetic. Like I said, this is for pistols. Just take it out, and I'll just put the box off to the side here. More packing. This is just more packing. So here is your gun mat. Comes rolled up, and as you can see, there is a difference in sides to this. As you feel, it's like neoprene, which is real cool. I like that. And it just lays flat like that, and there's a little magnetic tray here on the side, so as you're cleaning your handgun or your pistol, you can put your parts stuff over here. Seems to be very durable, and there's hardly any stretch to it at all. And as you see here, it looks like little indentions here on the side. It's not. It's just flat, and it rolls up into the parts tray. And over here on this corner, it tells you the safety first, making sure that the firearm is unloaded and your pistol is safe to go. And this is just a design on here. There's nothing to do here with a ridge here so that your parts don't roll off or anything like that. It claims to be oil resistant, stain resistant, and whatnot. But for my needs, and as in the corner here, it shows you a little magnetics right there. That's probably the magnetic part. So if you have any firing pins or springs that you need to put in there, you can, so you don't lose them. But seems durable enough. Rolls up. See how it rolls up. Rolls up kind of tightly. Let's see if we can roll it up the other way. That seems to roll it up nicer. And you can always put a tie around here. But this is the cleaning mat by Real Avid. And don't forget to smash down that subscribe button. Well, pretty simple unboxing and review of it. I'm looking forward to see how it does with the stains. And I'm sure I'm going to do maybe a couple month review afterwards on if there's any stains left on here. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you guys could wait for that video. Well, till next time, I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.